Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to make a reaction to Chucky vs. Chucky 2. This was made by Real Bobo Ghost. This is part of Jigsaw Games V2. Original link in the description. I'll start the video. I will be using OG Chucky as a thumbnail, and let's begin. Sorry for my finger.
You had your finger in my ass.
I don't think I like to know that. I don't think I want to know. Real Bobo Ghost makes good animations. Shout out to Real Bobo Ghost, by the way. Charge Relay 1915, 2019. We have Buddy, the 2019 reboot. Let's see who will win. This is the second. Sorry. Let's just see the video. Okay, Chucky won. Well, goodbye.